Hey Carlson, Jared here at WildCat Ford. I want to show you the '08 Durango. As you can see, it's very well taken care of, man. Beautiful truck. Previous owners did a great job on it. No rust, dents, dings. It does have the factory running boards, factory luggage rack, towing package, rear wiper. Let's take a look at the cargo area. Third row seating. Of course, that lays down along with the second row to give you the more cargo room if you need to haul something. See, everything's really clean. Plenty of room. This thing will seat 7 adults. Room left over. Again, everything's clean. The cloth's really nice. Same thing up front. There's not a stain anywhere in this vehicle. The white face sport gauges. CD, MP3. Can't go wrong with this, man. This thing won't last long. See if you can get out here today to get this. Give me a call back after you view it. Again, it's Jared Smith at WildCat Ford, 859-271-1800.